Hey y'all, we're going to do another Dollar Tree meal today. And today we're going to do the salmon that they have. It comes in a pack like this. It's 4 ounces. And then in that pack, it's wrapped in a separate pack. So we're going to try that, and that's going to be kind of a review too to see if it's good or not. And then I'm going to make some other things with it. Everything today came from the Dollar Tree. And so we'll just see how we like it. So I'll bring it over here. And what I've done is I took 4 pieces of the salmon. I have 2 pieces of aluminum foil. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix this to go in the oven. So I'm going to put some butter on each piece of the fish. And that should be plenty. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of salt and pepper and sprinkle on it. And then to that, well, I can't get my container to there. To that, I'm going to add some lemon juice, and this is the Dollar Tree lemon juice. So I'm going to pour a little bit in the cap because I'm afraid I might accidentally pour too much. So I'm going to put like a splash over each piece. So this cap did just right for 4 pieces. Then what I'm going to do is wrap it up. Just like that. And they had pieces there that were more white. I picked out pieces that were pinker or more of an orange color. I don't know if that means anything or if one piece is better than another. It's just what I did. So I'm going to put these in a 375 degree oven for probably 15 to 20 minutes. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is to start the green beans. And so I got this bag of Pick Sweet green beans, and I'm going to just put these in the frying pan with some butter and garlic salt and just kind of saute them. So let me turn, I have to move everything around to try to get you where I want you. Move you back a little bit. Okay, so I'll turn this burner on. And I'm going to put some butter in there. I think I need just a little bit more. I may need more than that if you can. Looks like there's a glare. Well, I'm trying to block the glare out, but I can't. Let me get just a little bit more. Okay, that looks like a tablespoon and a half approximately. Then I'm going to open up the beans. And I'm going to drain, if there's any water, I'm going to drain that off. And there was just a little bit, so I drained that off. And Just melting the butter just a little bit. And any of these recipes I do, you know, if you find something at Dollar Tree or you have something on hand that you think would make it any better or suit your family's taste, by all means, do it. Make your recipes what makes your family happy. So, I'm putting the green beans in there. And I am going to turn this down just a little bit. And I'm going to put a little garlic salt on them. I have about that much in my hand. Stir it up a little bit. And since these are cooked, I'm mostly just heating them through. But I'll let them go at a fairly low heat because they'll be cooking while we're waiting on the other stuff. So now, I just got my towel. So now, our last thing we're going to make is Hungry Jack au gratin potatoes. So this is the family size, 6 servings. And so for the stove top directions, you combine the potato slices, which are in here, and the directions are on the back. The potato slices and the sauce mix, which is this packet. And water. I'm going to put my milk first. There's 3/4 a cup of milk. And then 2½ cups of water. And the margarine, or I'm using butter. I'll get a different spoon here. And it's 2 tablespoons. So we'll put this in, and I've turned the heat on. And it says to heat just to boiling, stirring occasionally. And once it starts boiling, we'll reduce the heat and cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are tender and the sauce is thickened. So that should be pretty easy. I'll give the beans another stir. So now everything that I'm fixing for supper is in the oven or in the pots. So quick and easy and inexpensive. And so all we can do now is wait until everything is done. And when it is done, I'll come back and we'll give everything a try. Everything finished cooking. It took a total of between 20 and 25 minutes for the salmon to cook completely, and by then the other things had cooked. So it's a very quick meal to make, and I will show you. There are the potatoes and the beans and the salmon. So I'm going to give everything a taste. And I went ahead and put it on this plate so it could be cooling some and not be so hot. Beans are nice and tender. They have a good hint of garlic. I will say that I tasted these after I shut the camera off last time, and I felt like they needed salt and pepper. So I put some salt and pepper on them, and I did cover them while I cooked them so that that would help tenderize them. So now I'll taste the au gratin potatoes. And those are real good. This is Hungry Jack brand. So those are real good. We like au gratin potatoes. And now for the salmon. And I've been very interested to see if this is good. And it is. It needs a little more salt than what I put. But, excuse me, I think it's good. It's not the best salmon I've ever had, but it's well worth $1. So, I think today's Dollar Tree meal is a hit. And if you make this, I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.